Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to make a custom countdown timer animation in Canva. Let's start. We are creating a design first. Let's choose the presentation size 16:9. After creating a new sheet, we just click on the sheet and change the background. You can choose a solid color if you want, or also a gradient one. I like this. Let's go to Elements, type in number frame. Go to Frames, see all and choose the 3 for example. Click on the 3, drag and drop into the center to make it easy later. And now you can choose a nice pattern background. Go to Photos and choose this one for example. You can click on this picture and drag and drop into the 3, so you can see now the 3 has the same background like the picture. If you double click on the 3, you can slide it to the left or right. You can also scale it up and drop and drag anywhere you like to fit the picture perfectly. Alright, if you want to change the duration, just click here on the duration tab and on the picture. Then you can see this watch here. Click here and you can slide this timing to the right or left. You can also change it by pressing here and type in 1 second. Perfect. Just click on the 3 in the timeline, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste, and then just delete the 3. Go to Elements and type in again number frame. Frames, see all, and now we choose 2. Also drag and drop into the center. Instead of choosing a picture, we are going to change it to a video. Let's go to Elements, Pattern, Videos, and find a nice video. Let's choose a crazy nice background video. This one looks very funny. Just click on this video, drag and drop into the 2. And you can see it's already changing. Double click on the 2 and you can also drag and drop, scale it up, put it anywhere you like to fit it perfectly. Alright. To change the duration, just click on the video, change it to 1 second. Perfect, and now you have the second one with a video as a background. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy this one and delete again. Go to Elements and find number frame. See all and choose 1. Alright, let's choose again a nice pattern. Let's choose this crazy picture, drag and drop into the 1, and perfect. Now we also need to change the duration to 1 second, because usually a countdown is 1 second, right? You can also apply it to all pages if you have many of them. Alright, perfect. To create an animation, just click on the number, animate. And here you have different animations. I choose the pop one because it's very famous. Let's go back to the 2. Animate. Pop. 3. Animate. Pop. You can also choose different ones and change the both on enter and on exit, but it's up to you. If you have the pro version, you can also change the speed. And yes, many things to animate, guys. Alright, let's share, download, MP4. Now you can see the result. Thank you for watching and see you next time.